Looking for an easy way to apply to a bunch of colleges with just one application? Well, in this video, we'll share why you should be using the Common App. Hey, it's Joy from Get Schooled, and we are your free college and job advisors. We post videos every single week, so make sure you're subscribed, turn your notifications on, and you'll be up to date on our latest videos. The Common App is a college application that's accepted by nearly 900 colleges and universities around the world. Yes, you heard me correctly, 900 colleges and universities. This means you can fill out one application and submit it to multiple schools that you're interested in. Talk about a win-win. But how do you even get started? Don't worry, we got you. We've compiled all the steps you need to take to submit your best college application. Hit the link in the description below for your step-by-step guide to the Common App. Oh, and I thought I'd share that on our page, we discuss how to set up your account and all the documents you'll need before you submit. You'll need your high school transcript, your SAT and ACT scores, information from your parents or legal guardians. I could go on and on. So check out the link, bookmark it if you need to, and hit us up with any questions you have. We also go into how to choose and apply for colleges using the Common App. We offer detail about how using the activity section can highlight some of your accomplishments and show colleges that you're a good fit. Now, are you ready to learn more? Click the article in the description below and learn how you can start your Common App today. You can also text college to 335577. Wait, I'm back, reminding you to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I'm gone for real this time.